How to build apps using Lovable AI. First, open your web browser and go to lovable.dev. Then sign in with your Google account or create a new account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the app you want to build. For example, type "Create a task management app with user login, a dashboard, task categories, due dates, and dark mode." After entering your prompt, click Generate. Lovable AI will automatically create the app's interface, pages, and basic functionality based on your description. Once the app is generated, review each screen and customize the design, text, colors, buttons, and layout using the built-in editor. If you need additional features, simply describe them in the AI chat, such as add a profile page, connect a database, or create a payment page. Next, click Preview to test your app and make sure everything works as expected. Finally, when you're satisfied with the result, click Publish or Deploy to make your app available online. If your plan supports it, you can also connect a custom domain. That's it. You've successfully built an app using Lovable AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI tutorials, app development tips, and easy tech guides.